We were earlier showing you pictures from outside the airport. Now let's try and walk inside to see what's happening over here. Now this is the booking counter inside T1. And just look at the mess over here. I'm dreading to even speak to people because I know there'll be horror stories one after the other that will come our way. Like wading through this is like being at a railway station, if not anything more. You guys have been here for long?
Yeah. It has been like 2.5 hours. We have been waiting here. No line is been moving.
Boycott Indigo. That man just said that. That's how
boycott.
angry people are.
Yeah, ma'am. Still now you can search on your phone. Still now, like people are getting tickets, fares. Just now I have met with the guy who is saying that just before 2 hours I have done the ticket and then also I am been facing this problem.
पर ये तो सुबह ही पता चल गया था कि कोई फ्लाइट शाम तक नहीं जाएगी.
ऐसा है ना, फोन के उसमें क्या कहते हैं ये रिमूव कर दे अपने वेबसाइट से, सो दैट की पीपल कहीं दूसरी अल्टरनेट जगह देख सके. सो
जी
कोई जवाब
नहीं. परसों भी इंडिगो का 2 फ्लाइट मैं पटना से आया हूँ. परसों भी ये 11:50 और आपको 11:30 का और 4 बजे हो गया. गाड़ी से हम लोग आए यहाँ. अब गाड़ी पटना वाले में 40-50 हजार से ऊपर बोल रहा है कि हम लेंगे. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. अभी का फ्लाइट 6 बजे का कैंसिल हुआ.
क्या बोल रहे हैं लोग?
कोई बोलने ही वाला नहीं है, ना कुछ है. कोई अलग न्यूज हो रहा है, पता नहीं. आप लोग मतलब इतना नेग्लिजेंसी है.
हम कल से बैठे 24 घंटे हो गए. वो इधर
24 घंटे से यहीं पर है.
यहाँ पड़े रहे 24 घंटे हो गए. वो बोलते नहीं कि प्लेन कैंसिल हो गई नहीं है. टाइमिंग बता रहे 2 घंटे के बाद चालू होगी, 3 घंटे के बाद चालू होगी, ये बोल रहे. हाँ,
बहन का शादी कल है. आज हम लोग यहाँ पे पड़े. कल से भी हम लोग हायर करके गाड़ी मांग रहे 70,000 80,000 गाड़ी का मांग रहा है पटना छोड़ने का.
और मैडम हमारा पैसा नहीं जाने के लिए पैसा बुलाओ यहाँ से कंपनी से. हमारा पैसा नहीं जाने के लिए.
Let me just show you what's happening. Let me just show you what's happening on the other side. If you go up a little bit, you will see that this is a never-ending crowd. And here people are. This is a charging station. I see people stocked up here. कब से हैं भैया आप यहाँ पे?
मैं कल नाइट 10 बजे से हूँ. 12:30 बजे की मेरी फ्लाइट थी. अभी तक ना तो कैंसिलेशन हुआ है.
यहाँ पर क्यों है? आपको बताया इन्होंने कि फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गया है?
जी मैम बताया, लेकिन रिकैंसिलेशन के लिए ना रिफंड के लिए इधर लाइन में लगे हुए हैं. यहाँ भी 4 घंटे हो गए मैम. 4 घंटे में ना 4 कदम चले हैं और एक ही बंदा बैठा हुआ है काउंटर पे.
जी बताएं.
हम लोग तो मैं तो जा रहा हूँ उड़ीसा के लिए. झारसुगुड़ा का फ्लाइट आज का 3:30 बजे का. मतलब प्री इन्फॉर्मेशन कुछ नहीं दिया गया, ना कोई मैसेज आया किसी के पास में. और रीशेड्यूल भी बोल रहे कि मंडे को करेंगे. और रिफंड का प्रोसीजर जो 7 से 10 दिन कब लगेगा उसका भी कोई ठिकाना नहीं है.
तो यहाँ पर जितने लोग खड़े हैं ज्यादातर अपने रिफंड के लिए आए हैं.
रिफंड के लिए और रीशेड्यूल के लिए. रीशेड्यूल बोल रहे 3 दिन के बाद में. अब फ्लाइट का 3 दिन
लग रहा है मैं रेलवे स्टेशन पे खड़ी हूँ. यहाँ पर तो
रेलवे स्टेशन में बदतर हालत है. कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं है. 2-2 घंटा से लाइन भी नहीं हिल रही है.
जी क्या बता रहे हैं?
सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात है इनका कोई भी एक बंदा यहाँ पे खड़ा नहीं कि करना क्या है. किसी को नोबडी नोज की व्हाट शैल बी डन. आई मीन अगर जाने का कैंसिल है, आने का जो कल है उसका भी उसके बारे में पता नहीं है. किसी को बोल रहे हैं उनके बारे में कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. हम रिक्वेस्ट ये कर रहे हैं कोई एक बंदा आके एटलीस्ट ये बता दे रिफंड नहीं. वो आप मुझे बताइए. आपका नंबर में लिख लिया और आपको क्या पता है कि मैं उसको मेल करूंगा नहीं करूंगा. मैंने ये उनको बोला कि आप या तो कोई मेल आईडी दे दीजिए या आप कर रहे हैं इसका कोई एश्योरेंस दे दीजिए. मतलब हम सिर्फ ब्लाइंडली चल रहे हैं कि हाँ ये कुछ होएगा. आई डोंट नो क्या होएगा. मैं एक अवार्ड ही हूँ. कल मुझे एक अवार्ड मिलने वाला था और उसकी वजह से मतलब इतना
On top of that, all the other airlines have charged like more than 1 lakh rupees, 1,40,000, 2 lakhs. They are just using this as an opportunity to make everything they can.
Let's try and walk in. Let's try and get in a little bit more to give you a glimpse of what's happening. I can't believe, I have to say this, I can't believe the visuals right now. This does not look like an airport. This is an endless long line that is going where I really do not know. Everywhere. Let's just pan from right all the way to the left. Just look at the amount of people who are here, stuck here for several hours, people who are going for emergencies, sometimes for joy, but no clarity yet on what is going to happen. Can I understand from you, where are you going? What's happening over here?
Yeah, I was actually heading to Bangalore, from Delhi to Bangalore, and today I haven't got a single message the flight has been cancelled, any WhatsApp message or normal message. I just got here and then I saw on the board that my flight has been cancelled. So there is no proper information about the cancellation, why it has been cancelled, and what are the options they are providing. We are just waiting for the solution. They will reschedule our flight or give the full refund or what. So very chaotic situation. Yeah.
Let me just give you a glimpse of the board over here. If you see Indigo, wherever there is Indigo, the flight has been cancelled. The few flights that are actually taking off are Air India, Akasa also in certain cases that I see that are taking off, delayed but taking off. But otherwise you see the whole list over there, cancelled. And what the other passengers are telling us is that because of the Indigo cancellation, which remember is 65% of the flights that operate here in India, the others have also jacked up their prices. Let me try and get in. And I'll request my camera person to also sort of keep walking with me to give you a glimpse of what's happening. All right, here we are at the Indigo reservation ticket counter. We walked all the way from there and we've arrived here. Could you tell us how long you've been waiting here?
हिंदी प्लीज स्पीक
कितनी देर से खड़े हैं यहाँ पर?
4 घंटे से खड़े हैं हम लोग अभी तक और लाइन कुछ आगे बढ़ ही नहीं रही है. क्या हो पाएगा, कब क्या है, नहीं कुछ भी कंफर्मेशन नहीं हो पा रहा है. ना कोई मैसेज आ रहा है, ना कुछ भी पता ही नहीं चल पा रहा है कि कब हम लोग के फ्लाइट जो कैंसिल हुआ है कब से रीशेड्यूल होगा या फिर अमाउंट कैसे मिलेगा. कोई कन्वर्सेशन हो ही नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं पता चल पा रहा है.
और इतने यहाँ पर लोग हैं, सबका यही हालत है. Let me try and go a little ahead to try and understand. Ma'am, where are you from? How long have you been standing here?
From 3 hours we are here. We are from Bangalore and still awaiting one response to know what is the action and what is the plan. At least reschedule it. I don't mind waiting for the entire night here, but at least confirm that it is done. I have left kids and I have come for the conference here. I can't be here for another 5 days for the rates to go down. 55,000 for Bangalore, crazy or what? I can go to US. And there's no one who is responding here.
I see people there. What are they saying? I see some Indigo staff.
All are just standing. Nobody's getting any response. Take some action, no reschedule, refund though. I don't know what will happen to a refund. There's so many methods of payments we would have done. What kind of refund are we expecting at the end of the day? I don't understand because they have no answer now. We don't want refund. We want a reschedule. We don't mind staying here because refund paise se kya hoga? And I'm not getting any other flight.
I'm seeing young kids here. It's really breaking my heart to see 2-year-olds, 1-year-olds stuck in a situation like this. It's a nightmare for any mother.
Senior citizens and so many, who could not afford have tried to make it because they have to reach faster to their place. What you can see, there are labels of all types of classes. So it's a mess for everyone. You can't do this with the public, right? And we have our rights to ask for it.
All right, I've reached the end of the line over here. I just want to peep in and see what's happening inside that reservation counter. Let's go inside that and see what's happening. I do see some Indigo staff over there. Let me try and understand what exactly is the situation. Have you managed to speak with those?
Yeah, I think so my girlfriend, she'll explain better.
Have you managed to speak to the people inside?
No, I didn't manage to speak.
You're right here.
Yeah, but they are not listening.
Yeah,
What do you mean they're not
we've
listening?
been like waiting for like 3 hours, 3 hours and a half. Like we arrived, we didn't get any information that the flight was cancelled,
And we came
that's a
super
mess.
far. We came from Paris.
Answer for reschedule or
What do you mean they're not answering? They must be addressing the
any, but they don't have any answer to answer us, right? We need an answer, reschedule, refund. We need an answer. That's what we are expecting right now.
But they're not being able to give you anything?
No.
All right, let's try and walk back a little bit and let's show you what's happening on the other side as well. This, remember, again, is the Indigo reservation counter. There is security over here trying to manage the crowds. People look defeated. People look tired. People look just done, as somebody said, just done with Indigo. This man over here has, in middle of all this chaos, gone to sleep. Just goes ahead to show you the level of fatigue that has set in. Sir, tell me, where are you going? How long have you been here?
Now I'm coming from Hong Kong, so I have to transmit. They issued the boarding pass, everything. I can after I can come and see the flight is cancelled. How see the crowd? Huh? What is the solution? Only 2 or 3% sitting. The people are standing, 1,000 people. How they answer to the 3%? What is the doing the government? The Air Force Ministry is available or not? We should know. If you are asking me, ask to anything, the people asking the anti-government. What is called in India?
Sir, हम बस बात ही तो कर रहे हैं लोगों से.
बाहर पैसेंजर हैं, आप जितनी बात करनी है आप कीजिए. लेकिन
Okay, we've now been asked to leave. Sir, हम कोई दिक्कत नहीं करेंगे, चिंता नहीं करिए. We have now been asked to leave, so we'll walk out gradually. But while we go, let's keep giving you shots of what's happening over here. There are young kids. There are kids over here. There are people who are standing in line. There is a small vending machine where there's some cola, etc. if you want to take, but the rest. But if you see the glimpse inside the airport as well, the crowd inside the airport as well is quite bad. You see all those people. When 60% of the flights in the country are not operating, clearly what we are seeing outside is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's try and walk back now because we've been asked to leave. The security, CISF is here and they're asking us to leave the area. We'll abide by the rules, we'll go out, but we'll also keep bringing you the latest that is coming in. Just the tip of the iceberg. I dread to think what's going to be happening inside the airport. All those whose luggage has either been checked in and they don't know where to go, how to proceed. This is the massive aviation mess, the massive Indigo mess.